Hello, everyone. The topic for today is dividing fractions. Before we get started, I want you to pause the video and copy down all of this information up here, and then resume the video whenever you're ready. Let's take a look at our first example. We have 2 divided by 1/3. As we spoke about before, anytime you have a whole number and you're dealing with a fraction, you can make that whole number into a fraction by simply placing a 1 underneath it and using your fraction line. So we're going to use the flip and multiply method, in which we flip the second fraction and we change the division sign into a multiplication sign. So in this particular problem, the 1/3, that is our second fraction, and the division sign is going to become a multiplication sign. So we're really going to end up with 2/1 times 3/1. This is also called the reciprocal. So 1/3, the reciprocal of that is 3/1. After we've flipped the second fraction and changed our division sign to a multiplication sign, now we are just multiplying fractions. So our numerator, and for both fractions, 2 and 3, we multiply those together, we get 6. Our denominators, we multiply those together, we get 1. Our final answer is 6. Let's take a look at another example. We have 3/4 divided by 1/8. As we said before, we are going to flip this fraction because it is the second fraction, or the one on the right, and we are going to change the division symbol into a multiplication symbol. So this problem is actually going to look like this: 3/4 times 8/1. And remember, this fraction and that fraction, they are reciprocals. So we multiply 3 times 8, we get 24. We multiply 4 times 1, we get 4. We have an improper fraction, which means we need to convert that into a mixed number. But in this particular case, it actually gives us a whole number, because 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So our final answer is 6. So I want you to solve this problem on your own and bring your answer as well as all of your work shown to class tomorrow.